Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, this is my night day for my video vlogs. And today I have corn roast event. And the purpose of which is to get a break after yesterday's event. And Indian Polytechnic has bought the corn, and we just have to come and eat. And the event start at 9:30. So see you in event or after event.
Everyone know I am in EDM and I will burn the corn, but it's still quiet because maybe they didn't come to here, and now we are getting to burn korka. And this is Buncon situation. This is boozy, but only little about us. This is our corn, and we burn it. I wait this man. I hope this is delicious. Ridwan. So this is my corn. I burn it. This is not delicious, but it's okay because this is our first time burn the corn in the morning. Usually I burn the corn in the night or in the midnight. And maybe this is my video vlog for today. See you next day or see you tomorrow. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.